Hey Cosmic Dreamer, it's Sunday night. Let's see what's in the cards for your dreams for the night of December 24th, 2023. Tune in, drop into your dreaming body, connect to the intelligence of the universe. My name is Rick Aster. Some of us will be dreaming about Christmas tonight. I have the Voyage of the Soul Oracle in my hands, and the card is Fate. So you may dream about the way life steers you in a direction where, in spite of your decisions, you end up discovering some of the same things. And the Six of Cups. So this will probably have something to do with your childhood experiences. Maybe in the dream you'll notice that you experienced a certain kind of thing at an early age, and then another version of the same thing many years later. You get to put those puzzle pieces together. You'll get to see this is part of your purpose in this particular lifetime. It's part of your nature to have certain experiences, to see certain things. You're discovering something about yourself. That's amazing. Sweet dreams, Cosmic Dreamer.